We called all the press. I'm telling you, they're feeling.
Leah, come here.
I'll allow you to do the age demographic. I'll allow you to do the age demographic. Yes.
We are ready. We are just really terrified. Like the media team is so, left side, and another young person on my right side who will take over. We also have the civil society here. First priority for us as legal counsels and as the 50+1 is to secure their release first so that they're in the safety of their homes. And then from there, we intend to, at the end of the day, file a petition against the government of Kenya. In regard to the 1500, I do think that the challenge we are facing is the pro bono legal services. The lawyers that you're seeing behind me, no one is paying them a single cent. They're showing up every day, every court mention, to attend to these court matters. And that is why we have managed to map 500 matters. If perhaps we had more lawyers in different jurisdictions, we would be able to map in all matters.